In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to successfully set up an online store using the Hostinger Website Builder. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process of getting your products live and ready for sale, all while maintaining an engaging and easy-to-follow pace. To begin, the first thing you'll want to do is add the online store feature to your existing website. Open the Hostinger Website Builder and navigate through the interface until you find the Add Section button on the left sidebar of the screen. Now, from the available options, you'll want to choose Online Store. This step seamlessly integrates a product grid into your web page, connecting directly to the store settings, which is essential for displaying your merchandise effectively. Take a moment to select a store layout that best fits your brand's aesthetic. This choice will frame how your products are displayed to potential customers. Once the store section is added to your site, it's time to access your store dashboard. Look again on the left sidebar, and this time find and click on the shopping bag icon. This represents your store dashboard. Think of this as your store's control center, where you can manage everything from adding products to checking on sales. Within the dashboard, click on Products. This will allow you to view currently available items, or it will bring you to the option of adding new products to your store, which we'll cover next. Let's move on to creating a product. To add a fresh new item, simply click on the Add Product button. Now you can begin filling in the necessary product details. Start with the name of your product, for example, Minimalist Backpack. Description is crucial here. This section supports rich text formatting, so feel free to get creative and detailed to entice potential buyers. Next, you'll set the price, and if you plan any discounts, an optional sale price can be included. Captivating visuals can make or break a sale, so be sure to upload high-quality images of your product. You can even add multiple images to create a gallery view for a more compelling showcase. Don't forget to check the stock status to manage your inventory effectively. This will prevent any overselling scenarios. While optional, adding an SKU or ID can be beneficial for inventory tracking and management down the line. In the section labeled Options, you can enhance product listings by adding variants such as size or color. This is also where you can set specific shipping information or any custom attributes. Once you've carefully entered all this information, the final step is to click Save. Doing so publishes your product to your store, officially making it available to your customers. Following these easy steps will have your store up and running in no time. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine an existing setup, I hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!